let's go with Politician of the Year. And this is a significant award. It's not a joke. It's actually the person who was the significant politician of the year. And Conal, who are you opting for here?
I'm going for Catherine Connolly.
Okay. The president.
The president.
The big winner of the year.
The big winner of the year, I think.
Who did you go for as your Politician of the Year then?
You're going to kill me, Fionnán. Catherine Connolly was taken by Conal, but I went for Micheál Martin on the pure basis of his survival skills.
Okay, fine.
And that he has made it to this point.
Yeah. Tabitha, who have you got?
Yeah, so I went for somebody different again, Richard Boyd Barrett.
Okay, very good.
Just for what he went through this year, I think was incredible. So announcing in April that he had throat cancer, did a really candid interview with Claire Byrne about that, about what he could potentially be facing and his treatment, that he would have to take a step back, which he did. And then in October came back again, did another very candid interview. And I think a lot of people would have been listening to him on the radio and heard the treatment and the seriousness of the treatment that he would have gone through over those few months and kind of thought that must have really taken a toll on him. And of course it would. Like when you have throat cancer and you have to go through that level of treatment, it would. But then back in November 5th, I think was the day he returned to the Dáil.
I think there can only be one winner here in terms of somebody who galvanised a campaign on herself. And you would talk about the unified left, but it was actually the Catherine Connolly unified the left in the manner in which she set out early, she stuck to her guns. Ultimately, she forced Sinn Féin to not run a candidate. Yeah. She forced the Labour Party to come in and weigh in behind her. I think if there was a speech of the year, probably Eileen Flynn's introduction for her at her campaign launch was just fabulous, just very off the cuff and very, very personal. But yeah, we'll give it to you, Conal, with Catherine Connolly.